This release of Sage distribution and manufacturing operations brings some powerful updates designed to make your work smoother and smarter. First up, the feature you've been waiting for, workflow automation. Now you can streamline repetitive tasks and keep your processes moving with less manual effort. We've also improved stock allocations, making it faster and easier to allocate and issue stock exactly where it's needed. To support your financial operations, we've added discounts and penalties in accounts receivable and payables, helping you reconcile payments with greater clarity and accuracy. And for better planning and production decisions, we've enhanced projected stock visibility and work order components, giving you a clearer picture of future stock levels with visual forecasting tools. Now, let's take a closer look at all these new features and enhancements in the release. Say hello to Workflow Automation, a powerful new tool in your Sage solution. With workflows, you can automate everyday tasks based on triggers and conditions you define. No coding, no developers, just results. Let's say your team enters a sales order. Normally, they print it, attach documents, notify the customer, and check stock before creating a shipment. That's a lot of manual steps. Now, you can automate all of it. A printout of the order is automatically attached to the sales order. If stock is available, a shipment is created automatically. If not, the customer gets an email instantly. With easy-to-use visual tools, you can build smart, reliable workflows that save time, reduce errors, and ease communications across your business. You'll find the Workflow Designer in Administration, Automation. Look for more resources and training on this exciting new feature soon. To help you allocate and issue stock more efficiently, a default storage location based on item site or site data is automatically displayed. Let's take a closer look at how this enhancement works. For example, I've just created a sales order. When I go to allocate stock, you'll see a default location is already assigned. Plus, there's an option to view all available locations if needed. These default values are pulled directly from the item site setup, and if that's not defined, the system will fall back to the default location set at the site level. This smart defaulting helps save time and reduces the chance of errors during stock allocation or issuing. You'll find this enhancement on the following pages whenever you need to allocate or issue stock. Here's another highly anticipated enhancement for those not integrated with Sage Intacct. Payment tracking has been improved to better support your accounts receivable and payables processes, offering greater clarity and accuracy during payment reconciliation. Now, when entering a receipt for customer invoices or a payment for AP invoices, you can preview any applicable discounts, penalties, and adjustments before applying the payment. Take this example. I have an invoice with a terms code that offers a discount for immediate payment and applies a penalty if it's late. As we enter a receipt, you'll see new columns that automatically calculate discounts and penalties based on the payment timing, even for partial payments. Prefer to handle it manually? No problem. You can enter the payment amount directly and choose whether or not to apply the discount or penalty. No matter how you choose to pay the invoice, all the important details, like discounts, penalties, and any adjustments, are clearly listed in the Payments tab of the invoice. This makes it easy to stay informed, avoid surprises, and keep your records accurate. Next, we have an exciting enhancement to work orders, designed to support smarter planning and production decisions with visual stock forecasting. You can now view projected stock levels for work order components using a dynamic graphical display. When you're in a work order, simply navigate to the Components tab and select View Projected Stock. You'll see an interactive chart that visually maps out stock levels over time. Hover over any point on the graph to see detailed insights, including required, expected, available stock, as well as reorder points and safety levels for each day or week. This enhancement brings visual stock forecasting into your workflow, helping you make more informed planning and production decisions with ease. We extend our sincere appreciation to our valued customers and partners. Your continued feedback and thoughtful suggestions play a vital role in shaping SDMO into a leading business solution. Thank you for joining us today.